Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee for sale. First, understand your local health codes and business licensing requirements to ensure compliance. Next, select a location that attracts your target customers, considering factors like visibility and accessibility. Finally, craft a compelling menu with competitive pricing to stand out in the market and attract your first patrons. Sourcing quality ingredients is paramount for delicious coffee. Partner with reputable roasters for fresh beans that meet your standards. Next, a commercial-grade espresso machine and grinder are crucial for consistent, high-volume production. Don't forget essential brewing accessories and airtight storage to maintain freshness and flavor, ensuring every cup is perfect for your customers. Consistency is key to customer satisfaction. Train your staff thoroughly on brewing techniques to ensure every drink tastes the same, whether it's a latte or a pour-over. Maintain impeccable hygiene standards for all equipment and work surfaces. Regularly conduct taste tests and gather feedback to fine-tune your recipes, ensuring your coffee always delivers a delightful experience. Effective marketing will help your coffee business thrive. Develop a memorable brand, including a logo and social media strategy, to connect with customers. Implement loyalty programs or daily specials to encourage repeat business and attract new patrons. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those darn tough socks and other helpful resources. Building a community around your coffee is essential for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.